Again, bye-bye?
Yeah.
But I hope this time it's gonna be good bye-bye.
Yes.
For sure successful.
I mean,
I will send you some lights from my flash, from my headlight,
okay.
from the top.
Okay.
If it's gonna be good weather.
Okay. Take care. Keep in touch.
Yeah, sure.
Take care.
Thank you so much for driving.
Yeah.
See ya.
Yeah.
So guys, this time we're gonna climb the mountain on Tidore Island. I actually forgot the name of this mountain, but the height is 1,715 meters. And this is starting there. Here? Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna spend one night on the top of the mountain, just chill and enjoy the mountains, enjoy the nature, enjoy the climate and all of the beautiful surroundings of this island. So guys, I'm gonna see you on the way. Some beautiful spots of this nature. See you. Ready. Yeah guys, if you follow the maps you will go on this road. So I think this way is better, a little bit better. But local people, they just mix the ways, mix the path and try to make the better way for the tourists. You see how good it is? Even some houses are here. Great. And here we go again. Left or right? Oh my god. Let's check the map. I use Maps.me. Here's the road. And I hope it should be clear. So it shows me to go this way. Let's go there. It's not really easy to follow the path, to follow the road. Almost nothing, you see? And if I would not have the map, that's much more difficult. So I should go somewhere up there. For sure here. That way. You're knowing the path. How to go here? Oh my god. Oh, I guess I found the way. I think it should be here. Oh my god. Adventure started again. But the map shows me to go there. So let's go there. I think it is. It is the road. Yeah, I think so. Oh, yeah, it is here. Look, how to find it. I would not recommend anyone to go without map. Yeah. Spider. It's not so big. I finally found the way, the right way to go. So if I don't have the map, I would get lost here. So be careful with that if you're going to climb the mountain Kie Matubu on Tidore Island. Let's continue. So guys, here is a really good road, but as to follow the map, I already out of the path, and I hope this way is correct, because there is like the little zigzag where we can catch that path. Let's see on the way and just follow the road. My god, what's the road? What's the road? What's the way? Oh. But actually here is really good way. Look. Oh. Look. Should be careful. Not really the best way, and not really the safest one, but I hope I'm going right. Whew. Oh my god. Ah, fuck. It wasn't safe. Ah. Shit. But I'm okay. Let's continue. That all hell with the jungles. It is the correct way. And here the path is going to my following roads on the map. See these yellow points? This is the right way to go, and then we should meet the other way. I don't know how I missed this turn, but as you see, here's the clear way to go. Let's try. So I should stop for a while. To wash my face and hands. That's not really easy to go here, and if you will go here, I suggest to take somebody with you in a company. At least they can help you, support if something happens. I think should be all right. The road is going up, and I'm sure this is the right way. I'm just worried about what? About nothing. I'm not worried about anything, and just count on myself, my legs and my body, and I am sure that I will do it. No other options, no other options, just the way up. Let's do it. I guess it is. Yeah, it is. It is that the right way. So here we are, and now we're gonna continue normal hiking on the normal road, following the map path. No left, no right. Let's go. Look here. I think this is the mark that it is the way to the top. So let's follow it. We again go to the middle of jungles. But this is the right way. I think the right way. So the most dangerous way already behind there. I was going approximately 30 minutes and it took me 1 kilometer, no less. around 700 meters. So this is the way to the top. It left approximately 1 kilometer till the end, and I guess I'm gonna reach to the mountain until 5 o'clock. Now it is 2:48. It's already the good way. I have some marks. I even passed the checkpost, like checkpost 4, but I didn't see the first, second and third one. I hope I will see something on the way and I will not get lost anymore on this path and safely reach to the top. I also want to say to you that it's really so humid. I am totally wet. I'm sweating too much that even on my thermal clothes you can see some water when I try to squeeze. Actually, it's not hot. It's approximately 22-24 degrees. But the feeling... Okay, let's continue. You know, I thought that with the signs, with some marks, it will be easier to go. But for the last maybe 100 meters, I don't see any signs. And it's quite complicated to find the correct way. I should go back. No, really. These signs should be everywhere. These signs should be visible. Visible for people. Oh my god. They should be everywhere, and especially at the most difficult turns, the most difficult crossroads, the most difficult places to find the road. Where is that sign? Okay, I will try to find it. So I am under the mountain, under the top of the mountain, and it's becoming to be foggy. As you see, all the jungle in the fog. This is not really good news, but I have also a good news. I found the water! I think this is the rainwater. It is coming from the top of the mountain and downhill. Looks really clean, and I think that's okay. That's because I don't have too much water. I have only 1.5 liters of water, and half of that I already done. And it's becoming colder. I can feel that because I'm wet. I was sweating a lot. I hope this cloud's gonna blow away and we're gonna reach there with the good and sunny weather. See you there. It's becoming to be sunny. The clouds are going away from this way. I hope it's gonna be for the rest of the day. Okay, let's see. Look here. Was the tree I found. Looks so beautiful. Hug the tree. Jungles. This is not the hiking in European mountains, on Ukrainian Carpathian mountains. No guys, this is the other level. I think that should be the way up. We're there. Oh, this is the post 6, and here is the normal road. Oh my god. That's, yeah, at least I found it. Okay, now we should go somewhere there, or yeah, anywhere there. So now I started to go up to the mountain, and this is quite a stone road, so you should be more careful, because here falling down can cost you a lot. I guess we are almost on the top. It's too close. Yeah. You see that? Almost there. I feel that warm stone from the sun. Oh, but it's still cloudy. Oh my god. So nice. Finally. I get out of the jungles. Woohoo! This is that freedom. What I need. Oh yeah, guys. Finally. Whew. So fresh air. So nice. I love it. I love it so much. I miss this fresh air. The smell of the mountains. Enjoy so much. Let's continue. Can't wait until deciding my tent and enjoy this wonderful weather without anyone, without terrible noise from the roads of the cars and motorbikes. Can't wait to hear the nature sounds. Even it's cloudy, doesn't matter. I love it so much. So much. Woo! Ah, so cool. Amazing. Wow. Oh my god, it's starting to rain. Fuck. Ah. But I hope it will go soon. Or not. I should hide somewhere. Back to the jungles. Ah! 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 No. Should be careful here. Or I'm just gonna sit here and wait, because I have rain cover and it helps a little bit. Why not? Oh my god, I don't like this rain. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Stop, please. Please. Stop. Please. Ah, thank you. Actually, that works. And now I'm a bit wet, but yeah, the rain stopped. Thank you, weather. Please, no more rain. Okay? Nature. Okay? For the next 2 hours. Please. Thank you. Let's go. Yeah. Here should be the viewpoint. The wonderful view. And I guess this is the top. There. The top. Don't know. Let's check. Should be very close. Ooh, very slippery after the rain. And this mountain, I guess the mountain is there. This is one peak where I can set the tent. Maybe I can set my tent around here. Whoa! Wow, I didn't see that. Why didn't you tell me that? These are the clouds. Oh, I see the city. I see the sea. Wow! Oh my god, guys, I can see a little bit. I guess in a couple of seconds we will see amazing view around there. All the island, all the Tidore area, and all the the mountain is there. But I'm not sure about this side. But that side, wow, you see guys, you see? All there, this is Tidore, and there, I guess Halmahera Island. Oh my god, so beautiful. Wow! Wow! Guys, the clouds will blow away and then I'm gonna show you the wonderful view. I'm sure there is something more than this. So beautiful. The sun. The sun, come here. Please, sun. Can you dry up all of this mountain, please? Can you make it clear for me? Thank you, nature. Thank you, Tidore, for letting me to climb this mountain. Do you see that? I love it. But I want to see Ternate too, on that side. I guess this evening we can see that part, because the clouds coming from that side and they're blowing up to this mountain and they stuck on that side. This is the side from Ternate, and tomorrow morning these clouds will come down, but from that side they will blow here. And in the morning, in the peak of the sunrise, we can see all the view 360. That's my plan. And I'm gonna go there to check some spots for the tent, but if no, I will clean this spot and put my tent around here. I will see you tomorrow. Or today. Probably today. Actually guys, I found the best campsite area. So this is the best spot for camping. But for me, that place is much better because we can see the view. Yeah, this place is better because it covers from the wind, from the rain. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna check some more places. And here as well, so nice place for the camp. Much better than the last ones. But it still didn't reach the top of the mountain. So nice and so dirty. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Puncak Kie Matubu. 1,730 meters. Done by Ukrainians as well. Ha! Thank you, mountain, for letting me to climb here. Thanks to Tidore Island for exploring here. Thanks for all the people around. Thanks to the nature. Thanks for everything. What's happened and what's not. I'm gonna spend here the whole night and this evening. It's already 4:40. 20 minutes to 5, and we're gonna set up the tent somewhere. I wanna find the best place for it. And I guess it's gonna be here? Maybe. Okay, not bad. Or I will check some more places and I'm gonna let you know for sure. I don't really like the top of the mountain for the camping. because here are many different insects and flies. I don't know why, but here I feel warmer area. But I like that first spot where we saw the beautiful view. I'm sure here we can see that as well, but that place is a bit better. I'm gonna clean that up and set the tent before the sunset and before the rain starts again. But I hope it's not gonna be rainy anymore. Indonesia, that's shit! Totally shit! Why do you do this? Why, people? You don't want to save your nature, you don't want to save your beauty. How can you do it? How? How can you leave this bottle? How can you leave these bags here and all the plastic? And slippers on the way? What the f***? Why slippers? Oh my gosh. For me, they're just impossible. Guys, be responsible a little bit more, please. And as I told you before, if you have a chance to share this video, please share this video. Share to all of these organizations, schools, universities, anywhere, please, to clean this mountain, to save the beauty of Tidore Island. So from this camping spot, I took some of these planes to put that under my tent. I think it's gonna be a bit better to sleep on that and to keep my tents clean from the dirty ground. Oh my god, it's wow, it's too muddy. Whew. Quite dangerous. And also I don't want to kill the other planes. That's why I took from the other camping spot. Whoa. So I'm gonna do it right here. Because I like this view. In the morning it should be nice for sure. And also I can enjoy my dinner here. And yeah. So I will camp here and see you soon. So now I set up my tent and the view gonna be on the bush. Doesn't matter. It should be nice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy this nature and I'm gonna see you at the sunrise, or maybe if it's gonna be sunny, then I will show you the city and all the view on the sea. Hey guys, it is 9 o'clock and 30 minutes and finally the clouds gone! And now I can see millions of stars on the sky. That's incredible. So I'm gonna go outside and unfortunately I cannot share it with you. It's quite sad, but I will enjoy that moment instead of you there. So I'm going outside and I will try to make some videos. If it's possible to show you, for sure 100% I will do it. I will see you there, maybe. Oh guys, unfortunately you cannot see that beauty. That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'll look at the other side. Guys, it's really so nice, so beautiful. I feel like I'm so high in here and on the top of all these islands around. Whoa! Yeah, that's open again. Oh, I love this world. Wow, Ternate, you're amazing. Ternate, you're so beautiful. The shiniest one. So guys, very unexpectedly I found some new options on my camera to take the pictures at night time and also some time lapse. I'm gonna show you now after this clip. And now I'm going to sleep, and for you, enjoy the videos, enjoy the pictures, and see you tomorrow morning with a beautiful sunrise. No, guys, it's too early to say goodbye. Yeah! Woo! Awesome! Unfortunately, guys, I got only the sunrise, a bit of sunrise behind the clouds, and that's it. That's becoming again to be milky and nothing to see. But yeah, that was enjoyable so much. What can I say to you about this mountain? If you're gonna climb this mountain, I'm sure you will do it as well, the same like me, easily, and a bit hard to go through the mountains and rain. But you can do it for sure. It's not so difficult, but you should be ready for it and be patient, because the jungles, this is that area, we cannot skip that part. So I say hello to every one of you and to wish you a wonderful day for the other rest of the day if you're watching this video. Okay, see you next time somewhere in my adventures, or maybe on the way back from this mountain. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being with me up to the top of this mountain. And don't forget, if you like, then like. I will see you next time. Thanks a lot, guys.